Welcome to today's video where we talk about 5 classic hunting calibers that still work great for modern hunters. These old-school cartridges have been around for many years, and hunters still love using them. We will count down from number 5 to number 1 and explain why each caliber is special. Let's get started and see what makes these classic rounds so popular even today. Number 5. 243 Winchester. The 243 Winchester entered the shooting world in 1955 and quickly became a favorite among varmint hunters and deer stalkers alike. This versatile caliber offers flat trajectory and mild recoil, making it perfect for newer shooters and experienced marksmen who want precision without punishment. The 243 Win handles bullet weights from 55 to 105 grains, giving hunters flexibility for different game sizes. It excels at taking down coyotes, antelope, and medium-sized deer at reasonable ranges. The round's accuracy potential is outstanding, and it's commonly used in youth hunting programs because of its manageable kick. Factory ammunition is widely available and affordable, which keeps shooters coming back. Many hunters appreciate how the 243 Win can serve double duty as both a varmint rifle and deer gun. The caliber works well in short-action rifles, making firearms lighter and handier in thick cover. Ballistically, it delivers excellent downrange energy while maintaining a flat shooting profile out to 300 yards. Modern bullet technology has only improved this classic's terminal performance on game animals. Pros: very low recoil makes it ideal for youth hunters and recoil-sensitive shooters who want accuracy. Flat trajectory provides excellent long-range performance for varmints and medium game animals. Widely available ammunition at reasonable prices from multiple manufacturers across the country. Cons: limited effectiveness on larger game like elk requires perfect shot placement for ethical kills. Barrel life is shorter compared to larger calibers due to high velocity and powder capacity. Wind drift at extended ranges can be problematic due to lighter bullet weights available. Number 4. 30-30 Winchester. The 30-30 Winchester launched in 1895 and became America's most popular deer hunting cartridge for generations. This lever-action favorite has accounted for more white-tailed deer than perhaps any other caliber in North American history. The 30-30 Win delivers moderate power with manageable recoil in lightweight, fast-handling rifles that feel at home in dense woods. Traditional 150 grain and 170 grain bullet loads work perfectly for deer-sized game at woods ranges under 200 yards. The caliber's tubular magazine design in lever guns means using flat-nose or round-nose bullets for safety reasons. Modern polymer-tipped ammunition has extended the 30-30's effective range while maintaining safe magazine operation in tube-fed rifles. This round thrives in thick cover, where quick handling matters more than long-range precision shooting. The 30-30 Win represents American hunting heritage and remains extremely popular in rural areas and traditional hunting camps. Ammunition costs stay reasonable, and every sporting goods store carries multiple load options throughout deer season. The cartridge's moderate velocity reduces meat damage compared to high-speed magnums on deer-sized animals. Pros: perfectly matched to lever-action rifles that are lightweight and quick handling in brush. Moderate recoil allows for fast follow-up shots and comfortable shooting sessions at the range. Proven track record spanning over 125 years of successful deer hunting across North America. Cons: limited effective range compared to modern calibers restricts hunters to closer shooting distances. Flat-nose bullets required for tubular magazines reduce ballistic efficiency compared to pointed projectiles. Not suitable for larger game animals like elk or moose due to limited energy. Number 3. 270 Winchester. The 270 Winchester arrived in 1925, and legendary gunwriter Jack O'Connor helped make it famous through decades of hunting stories. This fast, flat-shooting caliber bridges the gap between lighter deer rounds and heavier magnum cartridges perfectly. The 270 Win typically fires bullets from 130 to 150 grains at high velocities, delivering excellent downrange performance. It handles everything from antelope to elk with proper bullet selection and accurate shot placement by skilled hunters. The round's moderate recoil makes it shootable for most hunters, while delivering serious knockdown power on game. Factory ammunition comes in numerous styles from every major manufacturer, ensuring you'll find the perfect load. The 270 Win maintains velocity exceptionally well downrange, keeping energy levels high at extended hunting distances. Rifles chambered in this caliber are available from budget-friendly to premium custom builds in various action types. The caliber works wonderfully in mountain hunting situations where long shots might present themselves unexpectedly. Its reputation for accuracy and terminal performance keeps it popular among serious hunters who demand consistent results. Pros: flat trajectory and high velocity make long-range shooting easier with less holdover required. versatile enough to handle deer through elk with proper bullet selection and shot placement. Excellent selection of rifles and ammunition from budget to premium price points available. Cons: slightly more recoil than smaller calibers might challenge new or recoil-sensitive shooters initially. Barrel wear occurs faster than slower cartridges due to high operating pressures and velocities. Overkill for small game and may cause excessive meat damage on deer-sized animals. Number 2. 308 Winchester. The .308 Winchester debuted in 1952 as a military round before becoming a civilian hunting sensation. This short-action powerhouse delivers .30x06 level performance in a more compact, efficient package that shooters love. The 308 Win handles bullet weights from 110 to 180 grains, covering everything from varmints to large game effectively. It's incredibly accurate, which explains its dominance in target shooting, tactical applications, and precision hunting disciplines. The caliber's moderate recoil and excellent barrel life make it perfect for high-volume shooting and practice. Factory ammunition availability is second to none, with countless load options from every ammunition manufacturer in existence. The 308 Win works in shorter, lighter rifles without sacrificing the ballistic performance hunters need in the field. Military surplus ammunition occasionally appears at attractive prices for practice shooting sessions at the range. The round's efficiency means good barrel life and consistent accuracy throughout thousands of rounds fired. Modern hunting bullets have made the 308 Win even more effective on game than earlier generations experienced. Pros: short-action design creates lighter, more compact rifles that handle quickly in various conditions. Outstanding ammunition availability and variety from every manufacturer at competitive prices nationwide. Proven accuracy makes it excellent for both hunting and target shooting applications equally. Cons: slightly less velocity than .30-06. Springfield may limit extreme long-range hunting effectiveness somewhat. Heavier recoil than smaller calibers might challenge beginners or extended shooting sessions noticeably. Muzzle blast can be sharp in shorter-barreled hunting rifles without proper muzzle devices. Number 1. 30-06 Springfield. The 30-06 Springfield tops our list as the most versatile and capable hunting caliber ever created. Introduced in 1906, this legendary round has taken every game animal on Earth in the hands of skilled hunters. The 30-06 accommodates bullet weights from 110 to 220 grains, making it adaptable to any hunting situation imaginable. From pronghorn antelope to Alaskan brown bears, the 30-06 Springfield delivers with authority and proven terminal performance. Ammunition selection is unmatched, with dozens of factory loads designed for specific hunting applications and game animals. The caliber's power level hits the sweet spot between shootability and knockdown capability for most hunters. Rifles in 30-06 are available in every action type and price range from major manufacturers worldwide. The round's military heritage means surplus practice ammunition sometimes appears at affordable prices for range work. Ballistically, the 30-06 Springfield performs admirably from 100 to 500 yards with proper load selection. If you could only own one hunting rifle caliber, the 30-06 Springfield would be the wisest choice. Pros: ultimate versatility handles all North American game and most worldwide species with proper bullets. Unmatched ammunition selection provides specialized loads for every hunting situation and game animal type. Readily available rifles in all action types and price ranges from every major manufacturer. Cons: moderate to heavy recoil may require practice to master for accurate shooting and confidence. Long-action design makes rifles slightly heavier and longer than short-action alternatives available. Can be overkill for smaller game animals, causing excessive meat damage and waste. Thank you for watching today's video about these 5 classic hunting calibers. These proven rounds have been trusted by hunters for many years, and they still work great today. Each caliber has its own strengths and can help you become a better hunter. Remember that good shot placement is more important than which caliber you choose. We hope you learned something useful from this video. Please like, subscribe, and tell us your favorite classic caliber in the comments. Stay safe and happy hunting!